unhinged things that people have said or asked to my face in my first year in business. Don't worry, I'm happy to do a video of amazingly wonderful positive things that people have said and asked, okay? You're never going to be successful here. This is a weekend town, kid, and you're going to learn that soon enough. That was from a fellow business owner on the same street as me in the first month I was open. What a greeting. $3 for a cupcake is highway robbery. Okay. Them. What's my total? Your total is $12.34. They pay for it. I bag it up. Have a great day. Thanks so much for coming in. Well, I'll try, but I'm broke now. I saw 50s in your wallet. Deep breath. Is this like all you have? Yep. I have 4 kinds of bread, 5 kinds of snacks, 4 kinds of cheesecake, 2 kinds of cake by the slice, dozens of cupcakes in the case, muffins, coffee cake, scones, more cake, 3 kinds of Easter eggs, maple walnut, peanut butter and coconut cream, peanut butter fudge, and brownies. Not to mention multiple beverages, different things from local businesses. Yep, that's all I have today. There is almost nothing that infuriates me more than someone saying, is this all you have? And not in a, oh, is this all you have? Oh, I forgot, I have 2 kinds of cookies too. But in like, oh, this is it? Yep, 17 different items. That's it. So do you bake things here or do you buy them somewhere and then put them in the case? I bake everything here in my kitchen, right back there. This is a bakery, not a grocery store. I've been asked that multiple times, and I don't know where that question comes from. I don't understand why you're not open 7 days a week. That way you would get more business. And then I respond with, oh, well, I'm the only person who does the baking and the only person who works here and does everything else. So unfortunately, I'm not able to keep up if I do that. Well, you'd have more business if you did. Customer points to blueberry pie. What's this? That's blueberry crumb pie. What's pie? I laughed. I was like, you know, pie, it has a like flaky crust and then a fruit filling. This one does, and it has a crumb topping on it. Huh. Never heard of it. Guess I'll try it. I would say that had to be a joke, but that customer's been in since, and I don't think so. You're not going to do well here because we don't need anyone who's elitist. We need people who are real, down to earth. This is a working town. We don't need elitist, fancy bakeries. That's me. I'm elitist. I am a woman-owned, single operation, spent 3 years trying to get this space, put my house up as collateral to get a loan to do so, and do absolutely everything by myself from scratch and support not only my community here where my shop is, but other small businesses to help them. I am super elitist. You would get a lot more business if you took that pride flag off your door. Nope. In fact, I think I need a bigger one. And finally, for this chapter anyway, no one's blueberry buckle is better than my mom's, but I'll buy a piece of yours so I can compare it and then we can talk about it with her. Let me know which one you think is the most ridiculous in the comments.